In this video, I'll show you how to set global colors and fonts for your forms in Hubspot, so all your forms match your brand style. First, go to your Hubspot dashboard. From the top menu, click on Marketing, then select Forms. Choose the form you want to edit and open it. Once you're inside the form editor, click on the Styling option. This is the paintbrush icon. Here, you can set your global form styles, including colors and fonts. You can change things like the main form color, error color, placeholder color, labels, and fonts. Just click on each option and choose the colors or font styles you want to apply. Keep in mind that customizing global form styles is only available on HubSpot's paid plans, starting from the starter plan. If you're on the free plan, these style options may be locked. Once you've made your changes, save the form and your new styles will apply to that form. And that's it. You've now customized the global colors and fonts for your HubSpot form. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials.